guys! This is the Oster 14-speed blender. This is a sturdy blender with a variety of blending speeds at medium cost, built to last with moderate amount of care. It can mince, grate, blend, shred, grind, liquefy, ice crush, or pulse. It has two power settings, high and low speed. The jar is Boroglass glass, meaning it is shock tested for heat and cold temperatures, and it holds up to 6 cups. The lid is made of plastic and fits snugly on the jar. The jar fits in a simple turn, following the guides on the base. The base sits firmly on the table or counter with safety rubbers underneath. So we're going to get into testing the blender by making a shake, a protein shake. So we will use 3/4 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of protein powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So we're going to add 3/4 cup of whole milk, 1 cup of protein powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Ensure the jug is fitted, the lid is fitted snugly in place, then press mince. There we have a glass of protein shake. There's an easy clean option as well. Just add water, a few squirts of dishwashing liquid, and press easy clean, and you're almost done cleaning. So the Osterizer has made a really nice, delicious, quick shake in less than 10 seconds. It can also make smoothies with frozen fruit in less than a minute, or blend hot ingredients to make soups. It can be used to make blended juices, your beetroot juice, carrot juice for instance. So the Amazon link is in the description below. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!